Hello dear friends. The gold industry in Afghanistan has witnessed structural changes from traditional production to industrialization in recent years, especially in 2026. Until a few years ago, most of the gold in Afghanistan was made manually and in small workshops. But with the introduction of new technologies and private investments, factories with mass production capacity have now been activated in Kabul and Herat. For example, recent reports in July 2025 and early 2026 reported the opening of the most standardized gold processing factories and the largest gold sales and manufacturing centers in Kabul, which aim to replace domestic production with imported gold. Herat, it is considered the most advanced region in the gold industry. By the end of 2025, about 150 active workshops were registered in Herat, producing 95 to 99% of the jewelry needed by the province's market locally. Kabul is home to the largest projects to build modern gold factories, which are being set up with the aim of reducing gold imports from abroad, which once exceeded 2 tons per year. Afghanistan has rich gold reserves in provinces such as Badakhshan, Takhar, and Helmand. In 2026, the focus has increased on mining heavy machinery in mines, such as the Samadi mine in Takhar, to supply raw materials needed by domestic factories. However, challenges such as local protests due to environmental issues in mining areas remain. At the beginning of 2026, the price of 1 gram of gold in Afghan markets reached about 9,000 Afghanis, which has affected the demand for expensive jewelry. Due to economic poverty, silver factories have become more prosperous in some areas such as Kunduz. It is estimated that the development of this sector could create jobs for 30,000 to 50,000 people across the country. The industry is currently working through joint ventures, including with Kazakhstan and China, to strengthen its national brands and achieve self-sufficiency in jewelry production.